We're still going, alright?
Unpause for me.
Hunter drops one.
You know I love McDonald's nuggets.
We're almost there, guys. We're almost there.
We got this.
Not
Team
really,
learn and
but
play with Hunter and family.
that's right. We don't give up till the buzzer run
And
out.
guys, never give up.
And remember to like, subscribe, and share.
Double sweet and sour.
How was that good?
It's busted. Double buffalo. I might run to this corner right there.
We're almost halfway there until we still got 2 boxes that's almost full. Guys, we almost at 9
My
minutes.
bad.
9 minutes, guys.
My bad,
9 minutes.
everybody. My bad.
Triple nuggets.
I can't do triple.
I'm gonna do a triple. Triple sweet and sour.
I can't. My mouth is not that big. I got pause.
You heard what Hunter said, we might be sick after this. This is called being greedy, but in other words, it's called gluttony. Gluttony is trying to eat more than what you can handle. And this video is definitely full of gluttony. You still pause?
Yes. 11 minutes and 12 seconds.
10 seconds.
No bad.
I don't know, man. We're gonna be able to finish this one.
No.
We're still going, alright?
Unpause for me.
Hunter drops one.
Unpause for me. Oh my god.
Oh, boy.
I'm gonna sit like this. I'm gonna have to sit like
Oh yeah, now he's getting lazy, guys. You know we almost done. He's getting lazy, guys. Oh my god. Look at the box. Look at the box.
Oh my god.
Got 2 nuggets left to finish this box right here. 2 nuggets left.
Eat a triple. Eat a triple.
Triple. That's the way I'm feeling right now.
A double.
Man, even the double is tough right now.
One box is empty.
I don't think we're gonna make it. We got less than 7 minutes left.
This is almost done.
So, we gonna call it quits now or keep going?
Keep going.
Keep going?
You gotta keep.
Alright, keep going.
I'm gonna do a handful. I'm gonna just make a face like actual speed though.
Guys, I'm about to tap out. I just say I want to keep going, so.
Keep going, Daddy. We can't quit.
Less than 5 minutes. We got less than 5 minutes. Let's do what we can. Doubles again.
I'm about to back out.
What? Now with less than 5 minutes left. Oh gosh. Almost there.
I'm sorry, but I'll back out.
Oh.
I'm out.
Okay. Hunter's out. Hunter's out with.
Psych.
Oh.
I'm still in. I said
Got it
psych.
left. We got 3 minutes. Less than 4 minutes left. Ooh.
Daddy, if I fall asleep, wake me up.
This box is more than halfway done, but
Daddy, if I fall asleep.
Hunter did good. Look at this box. But we still got 2 boxes that's full.
Daddy, if I fall asleep, wake me up.
3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Thank you.
I'm gonna eat like a dog, guys.
Alright. Well, we better hurry up because we got 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
I can't do it. I'm out. I'm really out. I'm not satisfied this time.
Alright. I think this is done. That's the time. Less than 2
still
minutes.
be right here, but it might be done.
1 minute left.
I got some tricks up my sleeve.
Well, you better hurry up and pull them out. You got 45 seconds left.
I got tricks up my sleeve.
20 seconds, guys. Alright, since you tapped out, hold the phone. Well, I'm gonna hold the phone like this. So you guys can see.
Oh, we got this. This one's empty.
Oh, yeah, right. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's over. Guys, we tried. We couldn't do it.
I told you.
That's called gluttony. Do not try to eat more than what you can handle. This is a lesson. We have fun doing this, but this is a lesson. Don't let your eyes be bigger than your stomach, because it sure got us this time. So, gluttony, guys, is not good, but
hit this and subscribe and comment.
Thank you for watching our video. We just couldn't do it. We got a box here. We got a box here.
Emptied
We got a
2
box
boxes. Yeah, I didn't really see that. We emptied 2 boxes.
And we dropped one on the floor. Well, Hunter did drop one on the floor. So, thank you guys for watching and stay tuned. And Hunter hit him with that what?
Let's go!